In this video, I will explain how to save a custom and preset Empower chart template to the Empower library. At the beginning, please note the following. If you work exclusively with Empower chart creation, you do not have an Empower library available and therefore cannot save any Empower chart templates in it. This video is relevant to you only if you have an Empower library available. If there is a chart type with certain presets that you frequently use, it is possible to save it in the Empower library. This allows you to better represent various use cases for different departments and make work more efficient. To do this, simply insert the desired chart type onto a slide and make the settings you want to use. In this example, I have already made some presets. This mixed chart contains a compound annual growth rate arrow, a legend is placed below the chart, and I also adjusted both value axes. Furthermore, the series order should be set to as in Excel, and this number format should be used. Which settings you use here is of course up to you and can be individually defined. Now I select the chart, click on Library in the Empower ribbon and then on Save. Now I select a single object and save the chart at the desired location in the Empower library. When you insert the saved chart onto another slide, it will be inserted exactly as you saved it. The settings in the Data menu and the Data Labels menu are also preset as desired, so users can easily create a chart following this template without having to make many settings. Alternatively, it is possible to save the entire slide with the chart on it. Furthermore, you have the option to commission us to create a new customizing. We will then create a new customizing for you with specially defined default charts. These are the Empower charts that are created by default when initially inserting a chart type onto a slide. Thank you for watching and goodbye.